once again. Yes.
Namaste,
Doctor,
everyone.
thank you so much for
Namaste.
accepting my invitation. Thank you so much for accepting my invitation, first of all, and coming and blessing all of us, all the 1,500 people who are attending this session. It means a lot. You are our first speaker for this whole World Meditation Day celebrations, which we are going to have for the next 5 days. And thank you so much for whatever the knowledge you have given to me. And I am always grateful to you. And the floor is yours. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Namaste, everyone. Namaste. I think all of you are doing good, and advanced wish you Happy New Year and Christmas. Okay, we'll start. We'll talk about the meditation. Many people they think meditation is like a big secret thing, but so many people they don't know the meditation is so easy to practice, and you should reach the final stage of the meditation. How? Scientifically, meditation, it is proved some like it is relaxation, what is a happy hormones, or why people behind the meditation. This is a very important. Thousands of people they were practicing meditation, and so many organizations for the meditation like so many like in India, so many meditation centers. But I think scientifically, what way we can do the meditation, how we practice, how it help generally the people, our brain, how to calm down. These few things are very important in the meditation. Generally, when we need the brain strengthening, you need the physical strengthening also. When you need the brain strengthening, you need the breath strengthening also. When you need the brain happiness, you need the whole system of the human should be happy. You can't sit like a meditation just like that for hours together. May you can sleep. We can't say it is a meditation. How we know we are doing a meditation and are sleeping? This is the biggest question. People, they practice yoga, asanas, pranayama, and mudras and meditation. This is the linked subject. When you won't practice proper strengthening for your physical system, the brain it won't accept for your meditation. When the breathe it won't properly in your system, the meditation it won't accept it. When you said brain it won't accept it. The important thing in the meditation, how to go for a meditation, how to do, what it will do in the system. If you do 2 minutes, then I will explain you. Practically we'll go for a 2 minutes. Sit comfortably, all of you. Sit comfortably. Maybe you're on the chair, maybe you're on the floor. Wherever you are, sit comfortably. Try to keep both gluteus and properly equal balanced. Both the buttocks are gluteus, equal balance. The lower limb properly balanced on your buttocks. Slightly put your tummy inside. Slightly put your tummy inside. Slightly expand your chest. Slightly chin towards your chest. Now close your eyes. Feel comfortable yourself. Just observe the breath from your right nostril without closing your left nostril. Observe your right nostril breathing without closing your left nostril. Don't do any kind of physical activities. Don't do any kind of physical activities. Start counting inhale, exhale, one count, like a 9 to 0. Should count backwards, 9 to 0. Only right nostril breathe. The breath should count 9 to 0. Little follow the rhythm. Don't run. Once you finish 9 times, concentrate on the left nostril. The same breath from 9 to 0. Slowly take your tip of the tongue towards the upper palate. Tip of the tongue towards the upper palate. Touch your upper palate with the tip of the tongue. Now start deep breathe from both the nostrils. Don't leave your tip of the tongue from the upper palate. Let it be. Take your tip of the tongue towards a soft upper palate. Touch your soft upper palate. And concentrate. Slowly start chant Om mentally. One, two, three times. Slowly. Start slowly chant outside 2 times. Slowly, very rhythmic. Between few omkaras, there is a gap, like a one breath. Last once again. Gently leave your tongue. Slightly open your lips, separate the lips. Sit comfortably. However you want, you can sit. Gently open your eyes. Without blinking your eyes, keep little open sometime. Right. Okay. Open your eyes and feel comfortable. Sit comfortable. And just Badri sir, ask someone to answer what they did.
Yes, type it in the chat box. What did you do?
Just once. You can just make my screen a little bit smaller. I can't do from here.
Okay. Now, can you see?
No, I can see complete. It is over screen. I can see only myself.
Okay. I think there is a grid view. If you go to the view on the top, right side or top, can you see the view, doctor? Right side top. Right side top, can you see view option?
No.
There is a grid. Okay,
no problem. Just ask them what they did.
So they saying like focused breathing, meditated, full saliva in mouth. When we went to the trans.
Full saliva in mouth.
Full saliva in mouth.
Then
we want to we went to trance state, calm the brain, watching the breath, observed my breath, focused on breathing, feeling fresh, no thoughts crossed in my mind, full of calmness.
Okay.
Deep calm.
Okay.
Tears rolled.
Okay. Right. All these things are, you're just following my instructions and you're practicing. This is the biggest problem in the meditation. And because I should not hypnotize you. Now what I did, I hypnotized you. Because of that, you are practicing like a meditation. Without my hypnotize, how you will go for meditation? And how it will help? Meditation, it is equal to so many asanas, equal to so many pranayamas, equal to so many mudras, and equal to so many dharana and dharas. How you will observe the meditation? First of all, we should think the length of the breathing, how to take, how the breath will go inside, where it will reach, how it will reach. We all expect the breath will go towards the lungs, but when you want to send the breath towards your brain or towards the whole neurons or nervous system, you can do that. Now, just to close your eyes for 1 second, 1 minute. Take your tip of the tongue towards the right cheek, inside of the right cheek. Close your eyes. Keep on press your tip of the tongue towards the right cheek.
cheek touches and smell.
Eyes should be closed and leave your tongue free. Eyes should close, leave your tongue free. Just chant once akara. Once again. Slightly open your lips and come back. Open your eyes. What you did again, you went for a meditation? I don't think so. You went to meditation. You are just awake about it. Why? Anyone can answer? You went for meditation?
Just followed your instructions and not followed fully. No, I did not go for meditation because concentrating on my tongue, it was paining.
Very good. Okay. Because now I don't want you for a meditation. Then I'm not training your brain. I'm training the system in the endocrinic system. Your endocrinic system, I trained your endocrinic system to awake you. The meditation means you are training a brain to calm and silence. What is the calm and silence? What is the meditation? Meditation means silence. What is the silence? Where is the silence? Anyone knows where is the silence? No, nobody knows. True. Silence behind the breath. When you take a inhale, before exhale, there is a silence, there is a gap. The gap is like a pause. When you exhale before inhale, there is a silence, that is a gap. These two gaps, when you maintain this longer time, the pause increases longer time, then you can go for a meditation and you can observe the silence of your breathing. Not only the breathing, not only the sitting silence. You should observe silence of the breath. When you observe the silence of the breath, then you know you trained your brain to calm and cool and avoid all the thoughts from the outside or inside, externally and internally. How to keep how to observe the silence of the breathing? This is a question. That's why many people, they can't reach in the final stage of the meditation because they can't understand what is the silence of the breathing. Okay, once again we'll try what is the silence of the breath. Just take a inhale and exhale. Little continuously, little speed. Inhale, just follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. exhale. Now inhale, observe the silence. After inhale, you should observe the silence. The silence is a pause. Exhale. After exhale also there is a silence. You have to observe that silence. Now slowly start again, long, deep inhale. Don't hold the breath purposely. Let it be its own method, own way. After exhale, now the next breathe, observe the silence behind your breath. May it inhale, may it is a exhale. Observe the silence behind your breath. And observe after the silence. Feel any small sounds in your ears or heaviness, but don't miss the silence. You can feel the length of the silence. Maybe it is longer than your inhale or longer than your exhale. Between both inhale and exhale. Deeper and deeper. When you reach a little long silence, then you can feel your heartbeat. Gently again observe the breath and slowly and come back. Open your eyes. When we went silent, there is so many physical benefits and mental benefits, emotional benefits. What is the physical benefits with the meditation? Especially in the meditation, you will keep your spine and all disc in all in single line alignment. The Mooladhara to Sahasra. Then the whole body weight equally we will share in the all lower limbs and upper limbs. When you are reaching and increasing more saliva in your mouth when you are doing a meditation, the neuromuscular system will be activated. The circulation system will be activated. The neuromuscular system will be activated. When you are getting a pain in the meditation, stress and strengthening in the meditation, the cardiovascular system little will be disturbed, and it won't allow you to sit longer time. Because once if you make a cardiovascular system strengthen, then you can train the brain. The brain, when you are sitting silence and observing the silence, when you feel comfortable in your eyes or the face, maximum everyone, the face is a very sad and dull and like a squeezing and all. You should keep a smile and pray. And the meditation, it is increase your neurovascular system strengthening, happy hormonal set releases, and make you fit internally. And when you want to go for externally, when you are sitting in the posture like Padmasana or Vajrasana and whatever the asanas is make you more strengthening of your internal system, external system. When you are doing a Akhara and Ukhara, anyone can tell what you feel?
Yeah, some of them doesn't know what is akara means. So, but people who have practiced, I think you might be like let us know like how was your like what did you feel after akara vibration? Okay, you felt vibration, tingling sensation. What else? Calmness.
Yeah. After Akhara, that is a one answer is really good. And after Akhara, you will feel the tingling sensation in all neurons, or nerves, or neuromuscular system. When you are getting a tingling sensation when you are like Akara chanting or Omkara chanting, whenever you will get the tingling sensation and vibrations, that feels you are keeping your mind is a calm. The mind will go calm. The between both, the length of the breathing, the inhale or maybe exhale, the between the gap, it is naturally it will increase. I never asked you to keep any mudra. I never asked you to keep like any proper posture like a Padmasana or Vajrasana. The meditation can't, it is not only in the Padmasana or Vajrasana. You can sit anywhere, wherever you want. You can sleep or you can stand. However you want, you can practice a meditation. Meditation, there is no limitations and no, if you suppose if you have a surgeries or something, anything, anyone can do the meditation. Meditation, you can concentrate between both the breaths. Between both the breaths, there is a pause, a gap. That gap, it should be increased long and longer time. Then you can go for a meditation. Meditation will give a proper train for the brain to keep silence and avoid the thoughts. and it is increase the circulation system. Once the circulation system is improved, physically also you are healthy, and your breath also healthy, oxygenated, deoxygenated, the both in equal line. When you go like a meditation, just once you just cross check with your meditation, when you're keeping your tip of the tongue in upper palate, you're getting so much saliva. Generally you will get a saliva, and it is increased a little bit, and it will take you up to your endocrine system functions and metabolism. It will go more higher and higher side, and it's a clean thought process. This is the meditation, actually meditation system. If you go more and more and deeper, I can go more deeper. But okay, first of all, online I'm little bit poor in the online, and if you physically if you sit with me, I can explain you more. And if you see in online, like Badri sir know very well about the online, and online you practice. I can't practice anything except the hospital.
No, it was awesome. It was awesome. It was wonderful.
Yeah, but I'll say the meditation, it is give a wonderful benefits, all physically, mentally, and it balances the each and every hormone. I can say only that, and thank you. And maybe really should excuse me, because I don't have any experience on online, and try to understand.
No problem. We were able to understand everything, sir. Like
See, whenever we will meet, I'll make you more understand, and I can explain you. And when I see directly, then you can ask a questions about science and meditation. Then I can explain you how the brain functions with the meditation. I'll explain you. I'll show you the brain, how it functions, and with the parameters and everything. And I did a research about the meditation in the Venkateshwara temple, Balaji temple in Tirupati. Like 3 months I was inside, and I practiced the meditation, and I observed who's doing a meditation there, and we kept the parameters and all. What is the results and all, I can explain that, but I am, please excuse me, and extremely sorry. And I don't have any experience in an online, and I can't see, and feel like a talking myself so many times. That's why. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, doctor, and thank you so much for taking your time. Before you leave, like, can we take some questions? Do you have some time to take some questions?
100%, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, all of you. So please unmute yourself and say how was the session to doctor. Like, tell him that it was a wonderful session, and ask him to come back again. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful
Thank you.
session, doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. So much. Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much. Come back again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It is amazing, sir.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Sir, it was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. It is amazing, doctor.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Awesome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Our wishes, doctor, and so we all wish you to have. So now I'm going to introduce something very exciting for all of you, all the diamond members. How many of you are diamonds here? Type diamond in the chat box. So I just wanted to launch the project which I have discussed. So please unmute yourself also, sir. Like I'll just show them the video, and after that I will take some questions. Yes, sir. So see, everybody liked, though you are saying like you are not much aware about online, but I am there to help.
Give me 1 second, Badri sir, 1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, there is maybe, I think, 1,500 people in this group.
Yes.
And see, you can contact with the Badri sir. We are running like a cancer society who is like who need the palliative care, and they were suffering with the cancer very badly, and parents they can't take care about the children, and children they can't take care about the parents, or they were a burden for them, or they'll feel like a more pain and they can't spend more money. And we are helping that kind of people. We have 170 beds, we are giving a palliative care without any single NP. We will take care about them and properly from the beginning to ending. If they can, anyone can help any people, and just talk with the Badri sir and let me know, we will help. And one more thing, and anyone they were doing like a girls, they want to go for a MBBS. They were poor background and they couldn't spend money for the medical side, and we are making them study medical side, and only the girls. If there is any girls like that, if you find, let me know, then we will help them. These two things, and street children, we are making education for them. Like we have one organization called Nele. We are making like almost 13,000 children with us now at present, and recently 2023-24 civil services batch, one girl, she's passed out like a IAS from the Nele. It is a like a rack picker. That girl is a rack picker. And if you find anybody like that, we will help them also. Thank you, and try maximum to help somebody, and we are there to help someone. If you can see these three kind of people, then you can let me know us. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. Super inspiring. If anyone has any of those things like street children, or like if you want to help women's medical education as well as cancer patients, please email us. So we'll be connecting you with the right teams. Okay. So now I'm super excited. How many of you are excited to meet doctor in person? Type me in the chat box. Wow, great. So let me share my screen and show you one of the exciting project which we are working on. At Conscious Breathing Hub, everything we do comes from one simple intention: to help people live healthier, calmer, and more conscious lives. Over the years, thousands of people have benefited through our online yoga, breathwork, meditation, nutrition, and conscious living practices. These practices have helped many to understand their bodies better, regulate their breath, calm their minds, and take responsibility for their health. At the same time, we also understand something very important. Every healing journey is unique. Some people need some more clarity, some need reassurance, some need personal guidance at certain stages of life. That's why, as part of our ongoing commitment to care, we are introducing a new initiative, Diamond Health Camps. These camps are created exclusively for our Diamond community as an additional layer of support. Through this initiative, we want to offer greater access, deeper connection, and more personalized guidance while staying rooted in conscious, natural living. In these health camps, I'll be dedicating my time with our members to listen, understand, and guide them based on breath, meditation, lifestyle, and awareness. Along with this, experienced doctors who will respect both modern science and traditional healing wisdom will be part of the process to provide clarity and support whenever required. These camps will be conducted in important metro cities with limited participation so that every interaction remains meaningful and responsible. Our intention is very clear. We want to support you early, guide you consciously, and help you make informed, natural choices so that unnecessary stress, fear, or avoidable hospital visits can be reduced. This initiative is not about replacing anything. It is about strengthening the support system around your healing journey. At Conscious Breathing Hub, we work with you online, offline, through learning, practice, awareness, and care. This is simply another step in that shared journey. So I'm introducing the new project called Diamond Health Camps. These are the live camps which we are going to do, where I'll be there in your city along with doctor as well as some other, like wherever, depending on the places wherever we are going, and we are going to evaluate your health, and I'm going to spend a whole day in that city to talk to you, to each and every person individually, and understand more about about yourself. So this is included in our now, this is the biggest initiative which I wanted to bring. This is there in my list for a long time, and now I am bringing it into the reality. And first we'll be starting with cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad, because majority of our students are from Bangalore and Hyderabad, and we'll be starting from Bangalore and Hyderabad, and we'll be moving to the other cities. So how many Diamond members are excited for this? Type excited in the chat box. Now I'll be sharing so the link also to ask your questions. So to the doctor will be there here for next 10 minutes. So next 10 minutes, whatever questions you have, please ask here in this link, and whatever questions you ask, I will be asking him some of the important questions. Yes. So yes, thank you so much, all of you. I am also super excited by that. So click on that link and fill your question. So then I'll be asking the doctor, and he will answer the question. And also please make sure that you go to this link and check about what is the Diamond program is about. And once you click on this link, you will be able to watch the video. In that video, I have clearly explained what exactly this program, what you are going to get. And this is the health camps we have released only today. Today we have released the health camps future, and we'll be notifying you. We'll be sending you a form. Whoever would like to enroll, and there itself in physical space we are going to do the therapies. We are going to do some therapies, whatever is possible, especially in Bangalore if you are in Bangalore, yeah, and also Hyderabad. So now please post your questions. And the first question, doctor, I would like to ask. So when I am doing meditation, I am unable to concentrate. I am getting a lot of thoughts. What should I do? Yes, doctor. Please go ahead. You are muted.
It looks like a silly, but it's a good question. Everybody have the same problem. Everyone. It looks like so simple, but everybody have the same problem because of their physical health. I can say even they were physically fit, and they can sit for the meditation. That is a very important. Try to improve your physical strength, then you can 100% you can concentrate.
So what is the role physical strength plays in meditation? Because many people say that I don't want to exercise, I don't want to do breathing exercise, I just want to do meditation. So what is, in your opinion, what do you think?
When you want to physically strengthen, the circulation system will be stuck somewhere, and it make you to take a thought process. Generally, it is unwanted thoughts and wanted thoughts. Both thoughts it will come. It's like a stupid. It's connected with each other. Because when you are a little bit stronger and physically stronger, then your respiratory is strengthened. Then if it is a respiratory strengthened, you can go for a meditation. Other than that, you can't go for a meditation. And people, they can say, and why I want to do physical exercise, I can do meditation, but most of the people, they can't do the meditation. Maybe they can sleep in the name of the meditation.
Yeah. So how to address that? Many people feel sleepy during the night.
They has to, first of all, the important thing is they has to physically, they has to get strengthening. Then only they can go for a meditation. Otherwise, no, it is a highly impossible, and they can't do meditation.
Got it. So doctor, you said that increase the gap between inhale and exhale. How much gap is possible in seconds maximum?
Around 30 to 35 seconds they can increase.
Gap.
Yeah. The pause. When they increase around at least 30, 20, 25, 30 seconds, then the silence will be more in the brain.
Sir, doctor, will this help in paraplegic polio patient like me?
No, it's a medical damage, it can't.
Medical damage, it can't. Okay.
Medical damage, it is can't, but they can keep themselves silent.
Okay, got it. And my eyes are twitching. Is it good sign or stress while I am doing breathing exercise?
It is good sign. It is a very good sign. You can clean your eyes with the cold water, normal, like a room temperature water. Then you'll feel more fresh.
Got it. I have fibromyalgia. I have muscle pain. If I sit for even short time, how do I meditate? I'm having muscle pain even if I sit for short time. How can I meditate?
That's why I said actually you have to physically should be fit, And otherwise you can lie down and you can do, no problem. Meditation you can do anyway.
My sister is a schizophrenia patient. Will meditation help her, or will be able to understand meditation to do meditation? Will it improve her condition?
Because again it is a same medical damage. Medical damages we can't promise through the like a alternative medical system, and it helps. I can't say it won't help. It help, but with the same whatever tablets she's using and she's taking the tablets, she can take the tablets and she can maybe she can feel a little bit more healthy with the tablets also. But you can't avoid the tablet and do meditation.
Oh. And I'm not able to hold after exhale.
You should not hold the breath. Naturally, it will pause. That pause, if you observe, it will take you more longer time.
Oh. So what is akara? You have to say for longer time, that's all. Yeah. How to overcome anxiety without meditation? Medication. So without medication, sorry.
Anxiety.
Anxiety.
We have a water therapist actually, and you know that, and you
Yes,
should
I know.
explain them. The water therapist, it is really good for the anxiety and depression and so many things like mental disorders. So many mental disorders it can cure with that.
Absolutely. Yes. How many of you remember Jalatrataka?
That is not like a disease, okay?
Yes.
That is like a deficiency. Sometimes no vitamin B12 and D3, if it's low, then they can get that kind of problem. That is not a problem at all.
Yeah, true. Exactly, true. Why do we sleep during meditation?
You will get a sleep when your brain will go silent. Generally, you will get a sleep.
Okay. I'm suffering from
When you,
yeah.
but when you sleep, if you are sleeping in the meditation, like when you are observing your pause, like between the inhale and exhale, then it is a meditation only. If you sleep really and snoring, that is called sleep. Otherwise, it is a meditation only.
Got it. I'm suffering from essential tumors, and can I overcome through meditation?
No chance. There is a medical damages. Medical damages you can't come out.
Got it. Touching the tongue to the top, is it to concentrate, or how it helps in meditation?
It increases your saliva system. It is release your happy hormones more.
While doing long breathing, I am experiencing heaviness in chest, and my eyes are twitching. Why is it happening?
Sometimes maybe it is not with the breathing. Maybe you're not, just once again you have to observe and let me know. But it is not with the, when you're taking an inhale, long inhale, it won't make you any problem. But purposely, if you hold the breath, you will get a problem. Maybe
So maybe anxiously, they might be breathing anxiously, forcefully.
Right, and holding. Purposely, they were holding.
Okay. So I'm having nerve pulling sensation in my left brain, where I usually get migraine.
That you can cure with the meditation.
That can be got it. So yes, you can lie down and do meditation, as the doctor said. Like, what if we are doing some work and focus on breath? Is it still meditation?
Sure.
Like watching TV.
100%. 100%.
Okay. How to find difference between hypnotism and meditation? Few of them is guiding the people. Yeah.
Hypnotize, opposite person is treating you. Meditation, you should do hypnotize yourself.
So can meditation cure myasthenia gravis?
No.
Got it. I have peripheral neuropathy in my feet. Can it be cured? I'm not diabetic.
Actually, meditation, it can't go all these things. It is a little bit, what you are asking, it is all like a medical damages. It won't cure anything. The meditation, it keep you calm and it is increase the happy hormones. It is avoid all negative thoughts, increase the positive thoughts. But all these things, if you go like that, again, you have to go for a physically and breath work and all these things, sometimes it can help you.
Exactly. Like so, if we
And
go
should not-
holistically,
Yeah.
diet,
Just
exercise.
think about your high blood pressure. May you can control with the meditation, and low you can control. Maybe anger you can control. Maybe bipolar you can control, or any psychological disorders you can control with the meditation. Except medical damages.
While I'm meditating, I'm getting fear.
Yeah, then don't close your eyes, and that is the problem. And just practice normally without closing your eyes, and concentrate on your right and left nostril breathing, and you can practice like that. After some days, you can go like normally, and at that time you can practice. But when you are feeling like a fear, don't close your eyes, then it is a problem. Don't close. If you close, no, then you'll get a negative thought, and it is take you other way.
How to overcome fear of physical health care of heart and like BP, thyroid, etc.
To physical exercise and increase your like metabolism.
So you need to be like if you practice something like which will help you towards your health, so then you don't need to fearful. So you have to leave the results to the divine and do yourself. Then you will not have any fear. So for cervical spondylitis, can meditation help?
No. Only physical damages, it won't help.
Yeah.
And
So you actually need to go with a holistic approach to your friends. See, meditation will help you to release the tension. Maybe that might be indirectly helping doctor. Might be. So, but it's not like curing. Like meditation will cure your.
sometimes like a spondylitis and degeneration in the neck region, maybe sitting long time, again it is give a more problem, and it may be sometimes herniated also. Don't run so much, and don't get a strain.
Yeah. My husband is a neuro patient. Is it possible for him to meditate?
100%.
How to overcome spine pain?
Again, exercise. Do proper exercise and see and go and meet a neurosurgeon, and you can find what is the problem in that. Then in this way we can help you. If you meet Badri sir, and will 100% will help you in that.
Exactly. We are going to do health camp, right? So if you can.
And one more thing I can tell you, and meditation, it can help for the Parkinson's people, varicose people, all this kind of people, it can help.
Awesome. Great, sir. So, like, my son is hyperactive. How to make him meditate?
Hydrotherapies are very good, actually. It really good. It really help for the hypo. This is the biggest problem, hypo. Now, after post-COVID, this is the biggest problem. All children are very hyper and bipolar, and just you can go for hydrotherapies are very good for them calm down.
Got it. So, can angioplasty person, heart surgery person, high BP, low BP can do deep breathing and meditation?
100%.
Can
Meditation, there is no limitations.
Yeah, meditation, no limitation. Wow, very good. So someone is asking, I want to do MBBS. Yes, you can join. Like, yeah. So you can reach out in case if you have any problems or like if you are coming from a poor background. In case.
Yeah.
Can meditation will help reducing blood pressure and knee pain?
Not knee pain, blood pressure.
Okay.
Knee pain, it is a degenerated thing. And you have to see the doctor.
I'm suffering from short memory loss. Does meditation helps?
100%. Meditation will help for your memory and IQ also.
Very good. What kind of meditation?
There is not more many meditations. Just sit calmly and think about yourself. That is only the meditation. You won't forget anything.
Okay. I'm having tinnitus.
That is a little problem. Actually, you have to say ENT. And meditation, it won't help generally. But you have to see ENT compulsory. Maybe it is like if she's a female, this is the problem. She's a female?
Yeah, female.
This is a problem with your menopause, pre-menopause or post-menopause.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
But it will go, sir. It will go, and it takes little time. Nothing to worry in that, and not to spend so much money with the ENT, and they will all take so much money, all for this.
While doing meditation, I get a strong feeling of drilling on top of my head.
Drilling feeling.
Mm.
She's getting a headache.
He is getting like drilling on top of my head.
He's getting a headache.
He didn't write that. Like he just mentioned that the feeling of drilling on the top of the head. Strong feeling of.
But if you will get a headache, no, then ask him to not to do.
Got it. So IBS neurological problem. Is IBS a neurological problem?
Yeah.
Okay.
Your meditation will help for them.
Can we help ADHD cases?
100%.
Yeah, Parkinson's you already mentioned.
Yeah.
So can we cure Hashimoto's thyroiditis by meditation?
No. Medical damages you can't.
Yeah, most of them are asking medical damage. My oxygen is dropped. See, again, meditation is one part of practice. We also have pranayama, we have breathing, we have yoga, asanas, we have diet, and all this like combination of all of this. Because whatever question you are asking, if you are asking directly, so like I broke my head, can meditation like bring back my head?
One more thing, in meditation it can get a changes in the WBC and RBC. That WBC and RBC, it is like infections. It can help.
Got it. Awesome. Can we heal voice hoarseness through meditation?
No.
Okay. Epilepsy.
Epilepsy, no, sometimes if you can manage and you can balance it. But you have to continue the tablet. Not stop the tablet. And that is depend on the age also.
Doctor, we have more than 250 questions now.
Thank you, sir.
So I think one more last question maybe. My B12 and B3 is normal, but why am I anxious and depressed?
Just ask her what is her normal means, what range she have. Generally the person D3 above the 50 and B12 and say 600 above, then they won't get this kind of problems. If it is below 600, the range, when you see in the medical report, the range 300 or 260, that is not enough, and sometimes you'll get. The D3 should be more than 50 and B12 more than 600. Then they won't feel this kind of things and loneliness.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thank you, doctor. So maybe last one person I'll take feedback, and how was Anasuya ji, go ahead. And if you would like to share something.
Yes, Doctor, firstly, I want to say thank you so much for coming. It was pleasure listening to you. We could feel that so much of Badri sir talking whenever you were telling us to do meditation. I actually thought Badri sir is saying and we are doing. It was so similar. But of course, you gave more information. My only question to you was, firstly, of course, on behalf of all of us, we want to say thank you. You have given us immense knowledge, immense gratitude from all of us to you. But what was your experience when you were in the sanctum sanctorum of Tirupati Balaji's? That experience we would love to know. How was your heart? How was your thought? How was your emotions? How was your feeling? I think you should share with us so that we also get those blessings. Thank you.
Actually, I stayed like 3 months inside of the Balaji temple for some research. Yes. And in that research, I tried like a puja is they'll do the puja and they will do on all different mudras. Why they want to do that mudras? I have a thought about it, and I went through that and I taken a permission. Nobody given a permission. I went to the President of India, and so I struggled so much for that. And like years together, I struggled, and finally I got the permission and I sat inside. But that is an amazing result you will get. And when you see also, you'll get a meditation. Not only doing, when you see them, you can get a meditation. It is a really wonderful experience. And if we meet, by mistake, if we meet, I'll show all my these things and all the recording things, what I recorded with the parameters, and I'll 100% I'll show you and I'll share with you.
We are like very, very excited, doctor, and through this health camps, whatever the new initiative which I have. So thank you so much, doctor, accepting my request. Like I have, I was in discussions with him for the past few days, and he accepted my request that like I wanted to do health camp with him, and in that health camps, like we'll be discussing more. You'll have more time to interact with him. Yeah. So actually, I wanted him to bring to our retreat. So he's going to Australia. Maybe in case if he come back by that time, like you will also meet him in our retreat. But let's see. But let's see, like if he's available. Okay. So thank you so much, doctor. Like there are so many questions, but I wish you will come again and again to us, bless us, and share your knowledge to all of us. So thank you all the 1300 people. We still have meditations now. We'll continue the session, and all of you. And thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.